Outgrow versus Typeform, an in-depth comparison about the tools. Introduction. In today's video, we're diving into a showdown between two fantastic software tools, Outgrow and Typeform. Both of these tools have their unique features and strengths, and by the end of this video, you will have a much better idea of which one suits your needs the best. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty details, let's take a quick look at what each of these tools is all about. Overview. Outgrow. Outgrow is like that engaging friend who always knows how to keep the conversation going. It's a versatile software that specializes in interactive content, calculators, quizzes, and polls. Whether you're looking to create engaging surveys or interactive quizzes for your website, Outgrow's got your back. Overview. Typeform. On the other hand, Typeform is the go-to tool for creating beautiful and user-friendly forms and surveys. It's known for its sleek, modern design and ease of use. If you want to gather information or feedback from your audience and style, Typeform is a solid choice. Features of Outgrow. Now let's delve deeper into the features of each tool and see how they stack up against each other. Interactive content. Outgrow excels in creating interactive content like quizzes, calculators, and assessments. Imagine you're running a fitness website and you want users to calculate their BMI. Outgrow makes it easy. Features of Outgrow. Personalization. Outgrows Outgrow allows you to create personalized experiences for your users based on their inputs. If someone takes a quiz and provides their fitness goals, Outgrow can offer customized workout recommendations. Lead generation. This tool is a lead generation powerhouse. You can collect user data and generate leads seamlessly through engaging content. Integration. Outgrow integrates with popular platforms like Salesforce, HubSpot, and Mailchimp, making it easy to manage your leads and data. Analytics. It provides detailed analytics to help you understand user behavior and improve your interactive content. Features of Typeform. User-friendly forms. Typeform is renowned for its easy-to-create forms and surveys. You can design forms with a wide range of question types, from multiple choice to open-ended questions. Templates. It offers a variety of pre-designed templates that save you time and effort. Just pick a template, customize it, and you're good to go. Logic gems. Typeform allows you to create surveys with logic gems. Depending on a respondent's answer, you can direct them to specific questions, ensuring a personalized experience. Data analysis. You can analyze responses in real time, and Typeform provides detailed reports to help you make informed decisions. Integration. It integrates smoothly with tools like Google Sheets, Slack, and Zapier. Now let's break down the pros and cons of each tool. Pros of Outgrow. Excellent for lead generation. Outgrow is a lead generation powerhouse. Its interactive content, such as quizzes and calculators, can capture user data effectively, making it a valuable tool for businesses looking to grow their customer base. Highly customizable interactive content. Outgrow offers extensive customization options for creating interactive content. You can tailor quizzes, calculators, and assessments to match your brand's style and user preferences. Personalization options. It allows you to create personalized user experience based on user inputs. For instance, if a user takes a fitness quiz and specifies their fitness goals, Outgrow can provide tailored workout recommendations, enhancing user engagement. Integration with CRM and marketing platforms. Outgrow integrates seamlessly with popular CRM and marketing platforms like Salesforce, HubSpot, and Mailchimp. This makes it easier to manage leads and sync data with your existing tools. In-depth analytics. Outgrow provides detailed analytics and insights into user behavior and content performance. These analytics help you fine-tune interactive content and improve user engagement. Cons of Outgrow. Learning curve. Outgrow may have a steeper learning curve, especially for beginners who are new to creating interactive content. However, they do offer resources and support to help users get started. Limited content types. Outgrow primarily focuses on interactive content like quizzes and calculators. If you need other types of forms or surveys, it may not be the best fit. Pros of Typeform. User-friendly and visually appealing forms. Typeform is known for its user-friendly interface and visually appealing forms and surveys. It's easy to create forms that look modern and engaging. Logic jumps. Typeform allows you to create surveys with logic jumps. Depending on a respondent's answers, you can guide them to specific questions, creating a personalized and effective and efficient survey experience. A variety of questions types and templates. Typeform offers a wide range of question types, from multiple choice to open-ended questions. Additionally, it provides pre-designed templates that save you time and effort in creating surveys. Integration with third-party apps. Typeform integrates seamlessly with popular third-party applications like Google Sheets, Slack, and Zapier, enhancing its functionality and connectivity. Real-time data analysis and reporting. You can analyze responses in real time and access detailed reports to gain insights from your survey data, making it easier to make informed decisions. Cons of Typeform. Limited to forms and surveys. Typeform is primarily designed for creating forms and surveys. If you require more interactive content types like quizzes or calculators, Typeform may not be the best choice. Free plan limitations. The free plan of Typeform comes with certain limitations, including branding on forms. To access advanced features and remove branding, you will need to subscribe to a paid plan. Pricing Showdown. Now let's talk about the pricing of these tools. Outgrow offers a range of pricing plans, starting from a free trial. Paid plans start at $25 per month for basic features and go up to 90 or 59 per dollars per month for more advanced features. Custom enterprise plans are also available for larger businesses. Typeform offers a free plan with basic features and branding. Paid plans start at $35 per month, billed annually. The premium plans, which unlock advanced features, are priced at $50 per month, essentials, and $70 per month for professional. Sendcloud or Packlink. Sorry, this is of course it's Typeform or Outgrow. So which one should you choose? Well, it all depends on your specific needs. If you want to engage your audience with interactive content, generate leads, and offer personalized experience, Outgrow might be the way to go. If you need a sleek, user-friendly forms and surveys with logic jumps and detailed data analysis, Typeform could be your best bet. In the end, it's all about what aligns with your goals and preferences. Both Outgrow and Typeform are excellent tools in their own right, and the choice ultimately comes down to what suits your project or business the best. Thanks for watching. That wraps up our comparison of Outgrow and Typeform. I hope you found this video helpful in making your decision. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.